Meet Isla, a coral restoration specialist who maps reef damage each morning and mentors volunteers in underwater rescue by noon. Her daily work centers on tiny coral fragments, underwater robotics, and data that forecast recovery timelines for fragile ecosystems. The job blends science with storytelling, turning beach cleanups into community science projects that energize schools and local startups. If you're watching, start with a degree, volunteer with a reef program, learn GIS and scuba, and document progress. This path proves informed action can rebuild oceans reef by reef.